Chairman, sir, thank you. I would like to draw the kind attention of Honorable Minister of Road Transport and Highways and would like to state that in the year 2016, Government of India gave approval to national highways in Telangana state, in principle to an extent of 1951 kilometers, and among these approved national highways, 5 roads came under my Lok Sabha Parliament constituency, Jahirabad. But unfortunately, the current progress of these roads is almost nil. The name of the roads are Nizampet Narayankhed Bidar, declared as a NH161, Manoor Bodhan Nizamabad, declared as a NH161B, Medha Passwada Bodhan, Karimnagar Silla Kamadar Jahirabad Deglu. The above roads are roads were approved in principle during the year 2016, that is 15 years back, 5 years back, sorry. Though the chair, I request the Honorable Minister to kindly the first declared national highways in Bharatmala Pariyojana or NH program, and the remaining roads which have still not been declared as national highways kindly given NH numbers and be included in the same program as requested above. Thank you.